Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to math. So, you know what that means? Grab your thinking cap because we are going to be doing some heavy duty thinking. Today, we're going to continue to work on some word problems, right? We are going to figure out how to solve these problems together, right? Now, these can be a little bit confusing. We're going to take it slow, okay? So, we're going to start off actually on page 212, number 8. On 212, we're going to do number 8, right? We're going to choose a way to solve this problem. This problem says that James has 4 big markers and 7 skinny markers. How many markers does he have? So first thing we want to do is figure out what we're doing with this problem. So I've got my marker. You can use your workbook. What we're going to do here is write down our info. We have 4 big markers, right? 4 big markers. And 7 skinny markers. Okay, so there we have our 2 pieces of information. 4 big markers, 7 skinny markers. And it asks us, how many markers does he have? When it says that, it's talking about how many total, how many in all. How many markers does he have? So it's not asking how many big markers, right? Because it already told us that. It's not asking how many skinny markers. It's asking us how many markers. Well, these are both groups of markers. So what are we going to do? Are we adding or are we subtracting? Yes, we are going to be adding. We're going to be adding. And what we're going to add is 7 skinny markers and 4 big markers. So we're going to have 7 plus 4 or 4 plus 7. Remember, we could flip those add-ins around. Now, what we're going to do today, I'm going to use cubes. You can use whatever strategy you want, but I'm going to demonstrate with cubes with the help of Bigsby. Thank you, Bigsby, for bringing those cubes. You have some more? Oh, yes, of course. Right. Bigsby has more. We've come to an agreement. We've come to an agreement. He's bringing me cubes now. Thank you very much, Bigsby. You want to stick around for just a little bit? Why, sure. I really appreciate this new attitude that you're not going around sneaking these cubes away anymore. Well, yes, I've learned my lesson, Mr. Dream. Yeah, all right. Well, you know what I really like to? We're matching, aren't we? Are we matching there? Pretty cool. All right, Bigsby, how about you go have a seat over there and watch us work this magic math, all right? All right, there I go. Okay, so Bigsby has brought us cubes. We're going to figure this out together. Let's go back to our problem here. We have 4 plus 7. So we'll write that out. 4 plus 7 equals, what is that going to equal? Let's just see. So I'll get 4 of these yellow cubes that Bigsby brought. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And let's get 7 of these orange cubes because it is 4 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Now we have 4 plus 7. Or, like I said, you can remember we could switch the add-ins. You can always have 7 plus 4. Because I didn't add anything new or take anything away. It's just reversing the order of the add-ins. So we're going to actually start. I'm going to start with at 7 though, because then I only have to count on 4, right? It makes it a little bit quicker. So here we go. We have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if I want to double check, I can even start at 4 and count on 7. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is how we use our cubes to help us solve a problem. So 4 plus 7 equals 11. So how many markers does James have? James has 11 markers. There we go, 11 markers. So we gathered our information together, we figured out what the problem was asking us to do, and then we chose our strategy. I used the cubes this time. We solved our problem and we wrote it out on 11 markers. All right, there it is. That is a complete problem. We did it. We did that, right? Okay, as promised, I said that we had a new agreement, didn't I? So here are my cubes that we use today. Thank you very much, Bigsby, for bringing them. Now, Bigsby, you get to take them. Yay! All right. And he's off. He's off to go eat his cubes. We've decided that he'll bring some. We'll use them, and then I will give him, so he doesn't have to take them away anymore. Right? Okay. We're going to do a couple problems for practice today. I'm going to read them for you. You can pause this video to work on them. All right? Do it the same way we did number 8. Okay? Do it the same way we did number 8. Gather your information, figure out what the question is asking for you, and then write it out. Solve. Right? So first up, we have number 9 on page 212. Number 9 says Sam has 9 baseball cards. She wants to have 17 cards. How many more cards does she need? So she has 9, but she wants 17. So how many more does she need? Okay. And number 10, Annie gets 15 pennies. Now this one, see it says think smarter. This is a bit of a challenge, but you can do it. Annie gets 15 pennies on Monday. She gets 1 more penny each day. How many pennies does she have on Friday? So she gets 15 pennies on Monday. So Tuesday she gets 1, Wednesday she gets another, Thursday she gets another, Friday she gets another. How many pennies does she have now? Okay. All right, and then we're going to turn to 212A, and we'll do number 1 here. Adam has a bag of 11 pretzels. He eats 2 of the pretzels. How many pretzels are left? You're going to add or subtract on that one. If he ate 2 of them, is that adding to the total or subtracting? Okay. And number 2, Greta makes 3 drawings. Kate makes 4 more drawings than Greta. How many drawings does Kate make? What is that asking you? Is that asking you to add or subtract? What are you going to do? What are you going to do with that one? All right. Now let's take a look at 212B. Same thing, circle, add, or subtract. So if you want to circle which one you're going to do, that's great. Or you can just write out the number sentence. Write a number sentence to solve. There are 18 children on the bus. 18 children on the bus. Then 9 children get off. How many children are left on the bus? Is that adding or subtracting? If people are leaving the bus. All right, and number 2, right here. Mike has 13 plants. He gives some away. He has 4 left. How many plants does he give away? Are you going to count on or are you going to count back? How are you going to solve that one? All right. All right. And I want you guys to put this together. See 3, 2, and 8? 3, 2, and 8. Can you guys use that to create a number sentence here? This is going to be challenging, but I think you can do it. All right. 3, 2, and 8. Use that to make a number sentence. You're going to need another number, I think, huh? All right, let's see if we can figure that out. It'll be challenging, but I'm interested to see what you can do. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for joining me for math. We will see you next time.